How to install our motorized ceiling TV mount. With a stud finder, locate the ceiling joist and center the mount on the joist at the desired location. Hold the template to the ceiling and mark the center of the 4 mounting holes with a pencil as shown here. Use a 3/16 of an inch drill bit and drill on the marked locations to a depth of 2.2 inches. Secure the motorized mount to the ceiling using the lag screws and washers. Tighten the screws until secure. For solid wall installation, hold the template to the ceiling in the desired position and mark the center of the 6 mounting holes with a pencil as shown here. Use a 3/8 of an inch drill bit and drill on the marked locations to a depth of 2.4 inches. Insert the concrete anchors until they are fully inserted into the hole, using a hammer to gently tap them in if needed. Remove the nuts and washers from the installed concrete anchors, place the motorized mount over the exposed bolts, then reinstall the washers and nuts in the same order and tighten the nuts until the mount is secure. Remove the 4 bolts and washers holding the center bracket to the motorized mount and remove the center bracket. Keep the bolts and washers. They will be required to reattach the bracket. Connect the horizontal arms to the center bracket using the bolt, washer, and nut assemblies as shown here, with 1 washer on each side of the brackets. Remove the end caps from the horizontal arms, then slide the VESA arms onto each end of the bracket. Ensure that the orientation of the VESA arms and center bracket matches the illustration below. Reattach the end caps to the ends of the horizontal arms. The VESA arms will be positioned at the width that matches the VESA pattern of your TV in the next step. These are some of the VESA pattern configuration options. Before mounting the bracket to your TV, ensure that your selected height settings will allow the 0.6-inch minimum required clearance between the ceiling and the top of your TV. It is recommended that the distance between the top of the VESA arm and the top of your TV is 8.2 inches for the optimal appearance. This recommended height can be adjusted to your preference as long as the 0.6-inch minimum clearance is maintained. Select the appropriate size mounting bolt and washer for your TV's mounting holes and verify the length of the VESA bolt is not too long. If necessary, use the included spacers between the mount and the screen as shown here. Attach the assembled VESA plate to the TV using the selected bolts and tighten until secure. Do not over-tighten. Fix the arms in place by tightening the bolts on the back of the VESA arms. Align the hook on the motorized mount arm with the slot on the center plate and hang the TV onto the hook, then reinstall the 4 bolts as shown to secure the VESA plate to the mount. These 4 bolts can be used to level the screen as needed. Loosen the bolts slightly, level the TV to the desired angle, then tighten the bolts back down. First, connect the power cord to the power adapter, then connect the power adapter to the control unit. Lastly, connect the control unit to the motorized mount.